what is up? Back again with another vlog, and today I'm gonna go roll my fenders. So yeah, I just got off work. Let me go get changed up and I will catch you guys right back. Peace. Changed up. Got the wheels in the car. Let's get these fenders rolled, bros. Catch you guys in a bit. Yo, got to Perry's. Say hi to Perry. Perry, say hi. What's up? Yep. Got the fender roller and heat gun. Let's get this shit started, bitches. So, we are getting this process started, and right now I'm in the process of getting my front fender liners off. And to get them off, you gotta take off the wheel and take off all these clips. And then after that, we're gonna start rolling. So, yeah, I'll give you guys an update in a bit. One liner out. Fucking pain in the ass. Alright. Now it's time to heat this bitch up. We got the moment of truth. Go ahead, Perry. Go ahead.
It's down all the way.
It's down all the way?
Yeah.
Alright. So hopefully this doesn't rub anymore. Oh shit.
What?
You know what?
You want to roll it more?
I don't know. Low key, think that it's probably still gonna go into the fender. Cause look, come here. I feel like the fender's gonna cut into here still.
Well, that's on the back though.
Maybe.
That's the back tire.
Maybe. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Why didn't you say nothing?
What is your tire? How do you not know?
Okay. Cool. Never mind. Well, looks good. So fuck it. We're good. We're good. So, since I took off the fender liner on that side already, I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do. If you guys can see. There's clips all around this damn fender liner. So, you gotta get to each and every one of them. There's like some right here. I hope that's a clip. There's like these ones. And pretty much just gotta take them out one by one. But if you want to do it the Timmy way, I'll show you guys in just a second. So, the Timmy way is you get a good fucking grip on the stupid fender liner. And be careful because there's crap all in back of there. So, yeah, you get a good grip on the fender liner. Then you just yank it. Yep. The hell is it so zoomed? Oh god. Man. Stupid camera. See, like you just keep yanking until you can't yank no more. Yeah. I'll get back to you guys when I finish. Alright, so we are almost finished. We just got one last fender to do. But everything's coming out cool so far. Look at the difference. Yep. I'll give you guys another update once we are completely finished with the car. So, yeah. Catch you guys in a little bit. So, fenders are rolled. And the car is done. We are done. More Subies.
Water?
Yeah. Alright, time for a test drive. See how this thing goes. Hopefully I don't rub. Fingers crossed I don't rub. Alright, so just got back from Perry's. Did a couple test runs and the car does not rub anymore. And I just got done unloading the car. You know, I'm at home now. And today was a really successful day. Big shout out to Perry and his dad for helping me out and letting me use their house and their tools, because you know, if I wouldn't have gone to them, I would have paid an arm and a leg to get my fenders rolled. And honestly, I'm really satisfied with the outcome, and now I can run my wheels and feel like I didn't waste money. So big ups to those guys, and big shout out to you guys for, you know, continuing to watch the videos. And I've noticed that, you know, you guys are watching more, and it makes me really happy to see that. So thank you for that, and hopefully you guys can keep supporting me throughout the journey, and hopefully there could be more of you guys, which I don't doubt. So yeah, just keep on tuning in, and you guys will hopefully be with me until the end of this car. So that's all I really had to say. I'm probably going to end it on this note, and, you know, we'll catch up in another video. So, thank you, good night, keep calm, and dab on them haters.